Good morning, fishing rats. So 2 of the fishermen have left. It's just the brothers, me, John, Jeff. We got a morning fire to stay warm. We woke up and it was about 38 degrees. It felt like a winter morning. Jeff, can you do a pour?
Coming right up.
We're having a little bit of creme brulee coffee. That's how you get oxygen in there for better tasting coffee.
Enjoy.
Sweet. Getting some pancakes rolling before we go out into the cold fishing weather. First one's burnt. The first one's always the worst one. We got some blueberries in there. Look at that little pancake. Oh. Tell me what your first thoughts are. Good?
It's fantastic.
We got some Anderson's pure maple syrup. That's camping. Catching them on the jerkbait today. He's got a mouthful of hooks. Little perch colored slash bait from Rapala. Some call it Rapala. This is a good size one actually. Alright, we'll get her unhooked and let her go. Let that slash bait pause for at least 5-6 seconds and they come up and hit it on the pause. 18.5 inches of bronze back. I'm with my guide John and my first mate Jeff. Check out the place we're fishing here. Total up North Haven. See ya. It's a largemouth. Oh. What are you doing?
Get out of here.
Got another one on the jerkbait, clown style. So it was 10 feet in front of me. Always doing the lay method. Oh. Oink, oink, whoa. He unhooked him. Successful release. Get a lip on him, Art. Oh, he's hooked up.
I think it's the same one.
It's a great one.
Did you see? I said, oh, there's another one right down there. And then I let it sit. Who comes back for his meal?
That's nice.
Larry. Hey, Dad, it's not a slow bite at all.
Oh, nice.
You just got to hit the spots.
That's
Keep
a
it in
football.
their strike zone.
Yeah, it's all about the hang time. Give him CPR.
We're the same.
Oh, wow, God.
This one's nice too. Really fat. Really a fat one.
Yeah.
This guy's been eating.
Johnny's been catching him when he's telling us stories about what he used to do in college. That's clown bait's really working for you. Another fat rat. Fat bass rat.
This is the best day of my life.
Not only does the jerkbait work for smallies, but it also works for largies. We're out here at Brothers Point catching smallies with twitch baits. He's all fished out. We're heading back to camp to get a porridge going or some soup. Warm up our hands. It's frigid out here and it's almost June. Made a little chicken beef sirloin stews with carrots and potato and some cheese. Sustenance. All right, for batch 2, it's chicken chili and chicken tortilla soup and some sirloin burger.
Oh,
so hard on these jerk baits. We like all sizes of smallmouth here. This guy will catch in 3-4 years, and then we'll be having some fun with him. I got this guy on the 3-4 second pause. See ya, buddy. I'm sending him in.
Sending them in.
Show you what we're using. A little twitch bait. Perch color. John's got a clown color. Jeff's got an ultraviolet pink color. It's called Uncle Pinky.
Pink Richard.
Pink Richard. I got perchy, and then we have clown. Just twitching it in, working it in, different twitches, couple fast twitches, then a slow pull, and then letting it sit for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 seconds, and we'll see what happens. And they suck it in and smack it.
Come here. Son! Son! Oh, son!
Grab him.
Oh, son!
Grab the tail of the fish. Nice catch.
Oh, he wasn't hooked well, so I went after him, but that's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's a brown ghost.
That's a big one.
That's
Look
a brown
at her tail.
ghost.
She's getting ready to spawn.
Yep. Yep, getting worn down.
That's a big long one.
Look at how long that is. Oh wow. Bye. That was a nice release. John looked back at me, told me to get my camera, and he said there's one following. There's a brown ghost following, and finally I started the camera, and right when I started, I think he set the hook into it, so we'll have to see once I get to editing. Alright, fishing rats, we're back at BP, Brothers Point. We got the fire started. People are getting situated, getting comfortable. We're gonna make some chicken quesadillas. I'll show them to you on the griddle once we start them up. This lake is a special place to us. We caught tons of smallmouth. This year's been a little bit slow from the weather. Last year it was a record-breaking 99 degrees up here for Memorial Weekend. This year I think the highest we hit was probably 60 if we were lucky. But most of the time it was 50, 45, windy. First day was horrible, it was raining hard. Still caught them though on the twitch baits. But let's get this fire started, and John, it's going out. Chicken quesadilla coming right up.
Jeff, just more of the...
We're out here camping in the wilderness making chicken quesadillas over the griddle. Look at that little griddle fire here. This is the chicken quesadilla campfire style. We're just roughing it out here.
Roughing it. We are roughing
Gourmet chicken quesadillas.
Jim, you're missing out.
There's no words.
This is your favorite kind of fishing.
So good. All right, fishing rats, we were planning on leaving this morning, but we got a total glass morning.
We're energized.
We're energized. We got coffees made, creme brulees. Let's do it. Let's do it today. All right, fishing rats, we're gonna get out there. We got a 4-stroke Yamaha.
It's not even a Yamaha.
All right, jerk baits today. Twitch, 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 pause. That's what our plan is, with some Domingo coffee brulee. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe if you like sipping coffees and fishing glass waters. We're doubled up. We didn't even get to see Jeff's fish. You see that? Alrighty, fishing rats. We're packing up camp. Since the weather's so nice, we're gonna put all our stuff back at the launch, and we're gonna do one more fishing trip. Gotta pack up the tents and the tarps. We're wrapping up the trip with one last meal. Spicy chicken sausage gumbo.
Potato sausage hash.
Potato sausage hash.
That's
Easy bite.
Brother's gruel.
It's not small.
Could be final smallmouth of the trip. He doesn't want to be picked up. He doesn't want to be grabbed. He's doing the belly maneuver. Look at
Beautiful.
this beautiful football.
I feel his heart beating.
That's sweet.
This one's gonna be. This was my first tube jig fish of the vacation, and I did it because, well, it's very sunny, clear water. Jeff and Andy had been, of course, catching some throughout the week on those lures. Made an adjustment, and it paid off.
We might be ending the trip right here, right now. Last fish was a tube bait fish. A lot of activity on the jerk baits. We're gonna snap a photo of this one. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like and subscribe. We're gonna be going on a lot more scouting adventures in Minnesota. Let me show you what we do for fun. We lied, it wasn't the last fish. Whoa. Great catch on the tube bait.
That's green with the orange eyes.
Yep.
There's different races in here. This is middle class.
All right, Fishing Rants, we had an awesome trip up here, 200 miles north of the Twin Cities, crushing smallmouth. One of our favorite types of trips, camping, living out in the outdoors, enjoying nature. Just launched out Baby Blue. I got the pill right here, already waiting. We're gonna head home, get back to the cities, unpack, probably shower up, clean our hands. Haven't showered in 4 or 5 days, haven't changed my clothes in 4 or 5 days. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next scouting adventure. Thanks for watching. Boom!